I'm Alex. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Netris. Welcome to Netris Fireside Chat. It's my pleasure to welcome here Saeed.
Thank you, Alex. Saeed Shamsi here. I'm a Director of Engineering at TELUS Communications. And in terms of the top 500, we are number 78 worldwide and the number 1 in Canada. We were also looking forward to see what type of partners can help us for our networking sites. As we know, the network is very, very complex. We realize that the networking components, when it comes to the multi-tenancy, is completely different from running the data centers for our own selves. For us to be able to build that is going to take a much longer. And you know that the AI era, no one has that patience. No one has the patience to build it in-house. If I'm servicing the startups, if I'm servicing the developer mindsets, then there's a different situation. I cannot do it manually. I do not have enough manpower, and it's not even physically possible to bring those clusters up and down. So we were looking for network automations that can help us not only create those VPCs and then mapping between the public IP to the private IP, to the VXLANs, to the GPUs, but also be able to integrate with our platform. We were looking for that type of the platform that can help us not only automate the networking side, but also be able to integrate with our AI studio. So then our teams can very quickly be able to provision the networking, be able to assign the cluster to the customers, and as well as providing the self-serve. That is what everyone is moving.
There's hardware layer. There's a network automation, abstraction, and multi-tenancy layer. On top of that, you build your additional layers, which is your compute layer, your AI factory layer.
When it comes to the networking sites, we never be able to match the manpower and engineering power that a hyperscaler has. But then our customers that are coming from that experience to us, they are expecting that we provide a similar experience for them. So we need to have that experience for our end users. So the end user journey is very important for us. So be able to provide that abstraction layer that you just mentioned. So the customer is coming, we need to abstract the network complexity and then the infrastructure complexity, so then we can give them the secure VPC for them so they can do whatever they need to do. So they can spend their time on solving the problem that they are doing to solve. Therefore, it's very complex when you are looking at east-west in InfiniBands. So we have NVLink, and then we have InfiniBand, and then you have the north-south on the Spectrum X, and then another north-south getting to the storage. So these are the complex dynamics of networking that we need to be able to simplify it, automated, to be able to provide that kind of the journey that we want our end users to experience. We are going to upgrade to your latest and greatest version, and we are looking forward to the next chapters for our collaboration.